tornado emergency for South Zanesville. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a tornado warning for Muskingum County, Ohio until 8:30 p.m. At 8:06 p.m., a confirmed large and extremely dangerous tornado was located near Somerset, moving east at 68 miles per hour. This is a tornado emergency for South Zanesville. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Take cover now. Hazard: deadly tornado and golf ball-sized hail. Source: Weather Spotters confirmed tornado. Impacts: you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris will be deadly to those without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely, and complete destruction is possible. This dangerous storm will be near South Zanesville around 8:18 p.m. Locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Somerset, East Fultonham, South Zanesville, Zanesville, White Cottage and Fultonham. Precautionary preparedness actions. To repeat, a large, extremely dangerous and potentially deadly tornado is on the ground. To protect your life, take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home or vehicle, abandon it immediately and head to the nearest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. If outside, move to a shelter immediately. Tornadoes are extremely difficult to see and confirm at night. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now and protect yourself at all costs. Please report severe weather to the National Weather Service in Pittsburgh by calling 412-262-1988 or by posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page when you can do so safely.